Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn one of the most interesting part of Java, which is string. So if you're new here, my name is Anthony and I teach Java tutorial on this channel. Take a sip. Please support me by subscribing to my channel, like the video and share to some of your friends if you like. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, let's start off by creating new Java project. Right click, new, and select Java project. So let's give it a meaningful name like no meaning. And hit finish. And then as always, create a new class in the source folder here and let's give it a fancy name like string r awesome. Check at the first option and hit finish. Okay, so today we're gonna play a game called fill in the blank. So I will have an incomplete word or sentence and you have to choose one of 4 options to fill in the blank. You understand? Okay, let's start. So our first word today is string word underscore UCK. Option A for us is D. Option B for us is F. Option C is O. And option D is E. Okay, so which one do you choose? Is that option B or option A or option C or option D? That's correct. That's option A.
Yeah, boy.
So if you choose option B or option C or option D, you will be wrong. Okay, so comment down below if you get the right answer. Okay, so here if you want to replace the first letter of the word, you need to separate it into 2 strings. Okay, and replace the first one with option A plus here, and if we run this code, you will get duck. Okay, the plus operator in Java string, it basically means you put the second string at the end of the first string. So here we put the string UCK at the end of the string D, so we will get duck. Alright, in the last tutorial I did introduce you the char, which is one data type and it can only store 1 letter in that. So in this case we can change from string to char. Char option B, char option C, and char option D. Okay, to do that we need to change from the pair of quotation to the pair of apostrophe. So here, change from quotation to apostrophe. O and E. So if we run the file again, we still get the same result. Okay, our second question today will be string statement equal. I want to get back to my X and the response is don't be, you have to put the appropriate word in that. So our first option is clever. Our second option is shy. Our third option is silly. Our last option is healthy. So which one do you choose? That's correct. You should choose option C. Okay, So to put option C into the response, we need to write the response again. Don't be. And here we need to separate the string into two strings. So like here and here, right? And replace the second one with option C. So don't be silly, guys. There are tons of girls out there.
I still love you.
So in this case, we cannot replace a string here by char because in the string there are a lot of letters, so we cannot replace a string here by char. So let's change it back to string. Actually, there are one more way to replace a substring inside a string. So we can write like this: response dot replace all, and open the parenthesis. And we put the string underscore here and comma, and then we put option C here. So if we run this code, we will get don't be silly. So inside the replace, inside the pair of parentheses after the replace all, the first one we need to put the substring we want to replace, and the second string is the string we want to replace into the string. Okay, actually there are a lot of string method like the replace all method here, but I will cover them in the next tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this little game today and understand strings in Java. And that is the end of today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if you like this game or not. So see you soon.